Closing. Hi everyone, this is Alina from Lucent. Welcome to our LCD screen automatic producing line. Before I go inside, I need to wear the anti-static clothing. Right now, I'm finished. Follow me. And this is our intelligent air saver. It will take 15 seconds to remove the dust from our clothing. Hi everyone, this is Alina from Lucent. Here right now I'm in our LCD screen automatic producing line. Here you can see different professional workers will be responsible for different producing process. Okay, let's come with me to visit our LCD screen producing line. This is our dust-free workshop. And in this area is our producing raw material setting area. This is the OCA for different size. And here is the raw material of the glass for different models. And here is the raw materials of the protective film. And here you can see is our LCD screen automatic producing line. It will take 5 parts. Okay. The first step you can see is our inspecting glass appearance to check if there is any dust or defect or damage. And then we will put the glass to the automatic line. Yes,